Hi guys. Where are we going? You are pretty. Wait, come back. Come back. Come. Come. Keep it come. Keep it going. Here we go. Keep it go. Keep it go. You got great color. Huh? You got great color. Hello. I should have brought some corn, huh? I should have brought some corn. Hi. Can I pet you? Can I pet you? You won't peck my hand, right? Can I pet you? Oh, thank you. Once more. Oh, chicken. Pat the bunny. Pat the bunny. Look at this one. Look at the face on this one. Hey. Where are we going? Are you leaving? Alright. Let's see what's on the other side. I got running chickens everywhere. Where is everybody? There's no more chickens. So this is where I live. If anybody cares. This is my fall-like neighborhood. I was hoping the big chicken would come out. See, they're all the way over there. Way in the corner. Way over here. Can you see them? Way up there. Hi! I'm just filming a video.